Trane True Comfort variable speed heating and cooling systems let you put your home comfort on cruise control. Just as the cruise control in your automobile makes minor adjustments in its acceleration to maintain a selected speed, True Comfort automatically makes small, continuous adjustments in air output to maintain the most comfortable temperature for your home. With Trane True Comfort, just set the temperature you want and the system does the rest. Non-variable speed systems operate in cycles of on and off, which can cause your indoor temperature to swing up and down at an uncomfortable level. A Trane True Comfort variable speed system adjusts to the appropriate speed continuously, keeping your indoor temperature within a half degree of where you set it, all day long and all night long, giving you the indoor comfort you desire. These longer run times at lower speeds keep operating sounds at a minimum, while simultaneously removing more moisture from the air. This maintains your home's humidity at negligible levels. You consistently feel comfortable and can run your system at more efficient settings, which in turn uses less energy. And using less energy can add up to monthly savings on your heating and cooling bills. Not only do you get your ideal home environment, but also the most comfortable home possible, and a whole new level of Trane reliability. We're confident you'll agree that maintaining your home's preferred comfort level never felt so good. So ask your independent Trane dealer for the right Trane True Comfort system for your home and your family. For more information, visit Trane.com. Trane. It's hard to stop a train. Real hard.